Legal system of Lebanon, judicial foundation and legal codification. The legal system of Lebanon is based on a combination of civil law, Islamic and Ottoman legal principles, and the law of the Lebanese legislature. Article 20 of the Lebanese constitution guarantees that the judiciary is founded on an independent entity subject only to the law. Decree Law No. 7855 of the 1961, which is known as the Judicial Organization Law, governs the structure and function of the judiciary. The legal system is governed by a series of specialized codes of law. These include the Code of Obligations and Contracts of 1932, which is the primary source for civil law. The Code of Civil Procedure contained in Decree Law No. 90 of 1983, the Code of Commerce of 1942, and the Penal Code ordinarily formulated in Decree Law No. 340 of the 1943, and the Code of Criminal Procedure. Judicial structure and court system. The judiciary is comprised of ordinary and exceptional courts. The ordinary courts are arranged in a hierarchy and they are subdivided into criminal and civil departments. At the base of the structure are the courts of first instance. These courts are organized into chambers of the 3 judges each, although a single judge may adjudicate civil cases of lesser value and minor criminal cases. Judgments from the courts of first instance can be appealed to the courts of appeal, which have both appellate and original jurisdiction over felonies. There are 6 courts of appeal, one located in each district, Mahafazat. They are prescribed over by a first president or chief judge with supervisory and administrative duties, and comprise a public prosecution department headed by an attorney general. Judicial authority and appointment of judges. The Supreme Judicial Council, headed by the first president or the chief justice of the Court of Cassation, is in charge of judicial appointments, transfers, training, and disciplinary actions. Additional members of the council included the Attorney General of the Court of Cassation, the head and an inspector from the Judicial Inspection Board, and the 3 justices appointed by decree who serve 2-year appointments. Laws are published in the official gazette and cases are published in the Lebanese Judicial Review, a publication of the Ministry of Justice. Supreme Court of Lebanon. Decisions of the Court of Appeal may be appealed to the Court of Cassation or Supreme Court. This body, situated in Beirut, is presided over by a first president and also comprises a public prosecution department. In addition to hearing appeals from the lower courts, the Court of Cassation adjudicates disputes between exceptional and ordinary courts or between 2 types of exceptional courts. Constitutionality of laws. Judicial review. The Constitutional Council, created in 1990, judges the constitutionality of laws and adjudicates election disputes. Special bodies of Lebanon. The Council of the State, established in 1924, is empowered to try disputes between individuals and the state. The Sharia courts, which settle matters of personal status, are divided into Sunni and Shia units. These ecclesiastical courts, composed of various Christian and Jewish divisions, settle matters of personal status or individuals from their respective communities. In addition, there are several other courts with specialized jurisdiction, including the Labor Court, Land Court, Customs Committee, Ministry Courts, and Juvenile Courts. Judicial education and profession in Lebanon. There are four principal faculties of law in Lebanon. The Bar Association of Lebanon, which was first organized by the decree of February 6, 1919. It organizes the profession into two pairs in Tripoli and in Beirut. A president elected for a 2-year term and a 12-member panel elected for 3-year terms head each bar association. All practicing lawyers must be registered in the appropriate bar. Thank you for watching. I'm Shamim. This article is taken from matarlaw.com.